quick reading for January the 29th to the 31st, Taurus. We have the King of Swords, the Six of Swords, and the Eight of Wands. Siguro nagwa-wonder tayo, sino ba itong tao na ito na nangungulit sa atin? Probably ito yung parang feeling natin dummy account, parang feeling natin pinagtiripan tayo, no? Dahil meron tayong mga either calls or texts or probably messenger, no? Or any messenger apps na nagme-message sa atin, then tinatanong natin, sino kaya itong taong ito? I feel like magpapakilala na siya. And pakiwari ko, no, kilala mo na ito. Hindi lang, kumbaga, bago lang yung identity na ginamit niya. Pero revelation is actually going to happen. And medyo merong ines tayong mararamdaman, pero mas mangingibabaw pa din yung, sige, I'm going to communicate with you na ulit, no? So this is your quick reading, Taurus, for January the 29th to the 31st.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yelling the stars